We learn that the Messiah comes as a force that draws us towards connection. And the Zohar mentions few Messiahs, Messiah son of Joseph, Messiah son of David. What is this force called the Messiah, and how does it work on those who read the Zohar?
Every force that works is from the force of the general Messiah. It's a sort of action. Without that force, we wouldn't be able to succeed at anything. We would be like beasts. When we have this force of Meshicha, this force of the Messiah that is in our heart to find the purpose of our creation, to reach adhesion, Vikut, it's also a force that draws us. It's a Messiah. All of these forces, even forming light, they're all connected to the Messiah. It's the Creator illuminating to us, and by that awakening us to come closer to Him. That's also called Messiah. Mashiach. Here we're talking about special forces that are revealed after all of the small corrections. And that's why he's explaining to us that there's many messiahs. Like you have 10 Sfirot, there's 10 messiahs. Usually we talk about Mashiach, son of Joseph, and Messiah, son of David. And son of Joseph is the correction of Tzimtzum Bet, first restriction, and son of David is Tzimtzum Aleph, the first restriction. The one's working about the Zat degrees, Katnut, loneliness, which is the son of Joseph. When talking about the Gaon, the Gadlut, the greatness, that's the son of David. That is facing Malchut, king of David.
How does this work on us, those who read the Zohar?
We want the force of Messiah. That's what we're thinking about the son of David.
What do you mean by wanting the power of the Messiah?
That'll draw us away from the desire to receive, to raise us above the ego, so we'll get to the degree of Bina. That is the role of the Messiah, to draw us closer. We wanted to work on us. And that reforming light, that's very general. There's many particular lights that bring us out of this desire to receive, and they influence us. By our own actions, we can also awaken them. So especially now, we need to awaken the force of the Messiah. That's why we open the Zohar, that's why we study it every day, and that's why we can study Zohar. And especially now, it's important that everyone will study it, even if they don't understand. You are activating this force from above. More questions?